As the title of my video may have revealed to you, I got way late into smartwatches. So late in fact, I ended up buying the Xiaomi MiBand2 only a few months shy of the MiBand3's launch. I pretty much bought it, and next thing I know, bam, MiBand3 worldwide release. Epic fail, right? But the consolation prize was that the MiBand2 at this point is a complete steal, not even $30 on Amazon. So the first thing I can say about this particular tracker is that it's the perfect entry-level device. If you're new in this world like me, this is the one to get. The thing I like about Xiaomi is just that, no nonsense. They give affordable and quality technology for everyone. It may not be the best ever, but price point makes every caveat about their products look ridiculous. Cut into the chase. The Xiaomi comes inside a neat white box that seems good enough for the price. Inside, one of the things you'll find is a plastic band where the tracker module goes in. It looks sturdy enough and so far has proven to be pretty reliable. I've read online it tends to become loose in the long run though. Even so, if you find yourself in the need of a new band, there's plenty and cheap options in the market that you can find, especially on eBay. Inside more cardboard casing, you'll find a proprietary charger for the tracker module and the tracker itself. A little tear on some of these guides will be enough to release the tracker inside. The tracker itself comes out of battery. It took me a couple of panicking minutes before I realized this. The charging process though is very fast and easy. In no more than an hour and a half you'll be at 100%. Battery life is around 15-20 days for me, so that is amazingly impressive on this device. But what about the software? The Xiaomi Mi Band 2 may not seem like much, but it packs pretty much everything you could need for a starter. The Mi Band 2 features a pedometer, activity tracker, phone notifications, heart rate monitor, distance traveled, calorie count, and more. Xiaomi has also developed a matching fitness app that allows you to tap on the device's full potential. It is free on Android and iOS, and it's gratifyingly designed and packed with features. This app lets you activate different notifications, set up alarms, track your daily activities, and set goals. I now have used and tried every feature the app and tracker can offer, and I'll explain and review them on the next video. For now, TLDR, no, you don't need to change to the Mi Band 3. The only reason you will want to change to the Mi Band 3 is because it has IP68 certification. That means it is more waterproof than the Mi Band 2. Let's say you're a swimmer and you want to track your swimming activity. Then it will be of use to you. But if that doesn't rock your boat, then I will say with the Mi Band 2. It still has IP68 certification. That means it is waterproof enough for a sweat or a shower. If you want to get your feet wet on the smartwatch market and for a budget price, get this tracker now. If you like this video, feel free to subscribe, send a like my way, and leave a comment. Have you tried the Mi Bands? What do you think? Any questions you have, I'll answer them down in the comment section. See you in the next video.